Hello everyone. In this video, I will answer 5 questions of the middle exam. Before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Imadiang Adona Putra with the last name 009. My major is electrical engineering with a study program of renewable energy engineering technology at the Bali State Polytechnic. So this is for the first question. Can you tell me more about your project of giving instruction? So my answer is solar power plants work by using solar panels to capture sunlight, and solar power plants convert into electricity. The panels contain photovoltaic or PV cells that turn sunlight into direct current or DC. This DC power is sent to an inverter which converts it into alternating current or AC. The type used in home and the power grid. The system may include a charge controller and batteries for regulation and storage. The result is clean, renewable energy from the sun. For the second question, can you describe your project or your product in your project of giving instruction? So a solar panel is a device designed to capture energy from the sun and convert it into electricity using technology called photovoltaics or PV. Each panel is made up of many solar cells, usually made from silicon, a semiconductor material. When sunlight hits this cell, it excites electrons and generates an electric current, a process known as photovoltaic effect. Question number 3. Can you tell me about the function from your product in your project of giving instruction? So solar power panel function by capturing sunlight and converting it into electrical energy through photovoltaic or PV cells. When sunlight hits this cell, it generates direct current or DC electricity, which can then be used immediately, stored in batteries, or convert the alternating current AC for use in home and business. Question number 4. Why do you choose your project and your product in your project? The reason I choose this project is because this project is related to the renewable energy technology engineering study program. By converting sunlight into clean electricity, solar power plants help reduce dependence on fossil fuels, lower carbon emissions, and combat climate change. They are sustainable solution for meeting energy needs while protecting the planet for future generations. Can you give me real example and explain more detail related to your project and example product in your project of giving instruction? A notable example of a solar power plant in Indonesia is I choose Indonesia. So a notable example of a solar power plant in Indonesia is the Cirata floating solar power plants. Initially located in West Java, inaugurated in November 12, 2023. It stands as Southeast Asia large floating solar facility and ranks among the top 3 globally. The plant boasts a capacity of 192 megawatt peak or MVP, utilizing approximately 300,000 for 40 solar panels spread over a 200 hectare area of the Cirata Reservoir. This innovative project supplies clean electricity to around 500 households, significantly contributing to Indonesia's renewable energy goals. So that's all from my answer about my presentation before. I apologize there are any mistakes, and thank you.